In this video, I will show you how you can add the Hello wallpaper on the lock screen of your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open the notifications panel on your iPad, then tap and hold on the empty space. Now to set the Hello wallpaper on the lock screen, just tap on the plus icon over here. As you can see, this is the Hello wallpaper. If you cannot find it over here, just scroll down. Now under collections, you will find the Hello wallpaper over here. Now I will select the Hello wallpaper. Now you can apply a filter or change the color of the wallpaper as you like. For an example, I will select the green one. Now after that, just tap on add. Now if you want to pair this wallpaper to your home screen, just select set as wallpaper pair. But if you want to set it only on the lock screen, just tap on customize home screen. And from here you can either set a solid color, a gradient, or a photo from the Photos app. Just select a photo from your home screen. Now after that, just tap on add. And just select done. Now just select the lock screen wallpaper which we have created. Now as you can see, if I go to the home screen, as you can see we have a separate wallpaper on the home screen, and we have set the Hello wallpaper on the lock screen of our iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.